Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prashtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Yad yad acharati shreshtas tat tat evetaro janaha sayat pramanam kurute lokastat anuvartate. It is our experience also in this world. We have always come across some very great person in our life who has made a great impact and influence, and we try to emulate their traits and their good qualities. Recently in our country we had Dr. Kalam as the president, and the whole country was so happy to have him as the president because he had very wonderful qualities, wonderful qualifications, and children in our country, students in our country would flock around him in schools, universities when he went to address them. And whenever we see some great personality and a great example, that inspires us. Yad yad acharati shreshthas tat tat evataro janaha. What shreshthas do, a great person does. Eva itara janaha. Other people also try to emulate that. Sayat pramanam kurute lokastat anuvartate. Yat pramanam, whatever standards they establish, rest of the people we will like to follow that. This is a human nature. Now, realizing that an example, a living example of a great person inspires human society, the Lord himself appeared as Lord Ramachandra to set the highest standard of behavior and character of a king. And Ramayana is full of anecdotes of Ram during his presence here on earth. And each one of them inspires us of what a great king should be, of what a great leader should be, what a great human being should be. And it is a fact, these Leelas of Ram have shaped our country's ethos, our character for centuries. You must have all read in big magazines in our country and in the world. Every year they publish 50 most influential people in the world or 50 most influential people in India. Right? And every year so many names are there and their pictures are there and what they did and how they're very influential. We read about all of that. And next year, more or less the 50 people would have changed. A good number of them would have changed. Someone else has become influential, and so on. If we were to publish a person who has been most influential over centuries, and his influence has been undiminishing, one such character would be Lord Sri Ramachandra. Ram's influence in our country is undiminishing, and it is our responsibility that we keep it that way. We should ensure the younger generations become aware of these great qualities of Sri Ram and how he played the role of a king, a public leader, and what those attributes and qualifications of such a great leader should be. Some time back, one High Court judge visited us in our temple, and he mentioned something very important. He said, as a High Court judge, we should not only be just, we should also appear to be just. In other words, the behavior and the character of a judge who is a public leader, in whom people should have trust and confidence, he should not only be just, he also should conduct his life in such a way that he appears just. We see throughout in Ram's life that how he earned the trust and confidence and respect of the people by his very personal behavior, and even if that called for an enormous amount of sacrifice, Ram was ready to do that. One very striking example of Ram in the Ramayana, I thought I'll share with all of you this evening. This was the occasion towards the end of the Ramayana, towards the end of the Yuddha Kanda. Ravan has already been killed. Ram has become victorious with the help of the Vanaras headed by Sugriva and great devotee Hanuman. And he was also helped by Vibhishan. And now Ram has become victorious. At that time, Ram conducts the ceremony to install Vibhishan as the king of Lanka. The coronation ceremony has also happened. And the news has reached Mother Sita that Ravan has been killed and Ram has already come, and very soon she is going to be freed from captivity. Hanuman comes and delivers the news, and you can imagine how happy Sita must have been that now I'm going to come in the presence of Lord Ram. And Ram sends Vibhishana, because now Vibhishan is the king. And he personally goes and delivers the news and invites Sita to come and meet Ram. And so there is a big procession. This is described in the Valmiki Ramayana. Mother Sita is brought in a palanquin. Now, because Vibhishan has arranged all this, he is the king, he is the emperor. So Mother Sita is brought in a palanquin, and then all the residents of Lanka, they are lined up in the main streets just to get a glimpse of Sita. And Mother Sita, extremely beautiful. She was a very young girl. She was married when she was about 9 years. So she must not have been so old at that time. Very beautiful, very young. And finally she comes before Ram. And her eyes are filled with tears of joy of seeing Ram after a long time, after she was taken away by Ravan. And Ram also, for Ram also it was a great occasion. He was seeing Sita after a long time being taken away and held in captivity. And he had to cross the ocean, traverse through the length of the country, and come to meet and to get her freed. So it was not an ordinary thing. And now Ram was seeing Sita face to face. It was a joyous occasion for Sri Ram too. So it was a public gathering. It was a large gathering in the presence of Vibhishan. Lakshman was there, and several Vanaras and several other ministers and attendants of Vibhishan's new court and new kingdom. All of them were there. And Ram begins to speak very soberly. And he tells Sita that now the wrongdoing of Ravan abducted Sita, who was the wife of Ram, and that's a great act of sin. And so he deserves to be punished. And he has been aptly punished. So Ram killed Ravan to set the right standard of conduct. If someone does such a heinous act, that person should be killed. And Ram had established it and demonstrated this important principle. Ravan had actually brought great disgrace to the dynasty of, the celebrated dynasty of Ram and Dasharatha and Ikshvaku Maharaj. And so, by killing Ravan, that glory of Ram's dynasty has been upheld once again, Ram said. And for a Kshatriya, Ram was a Kshatriya, a ruler. It was a great offense and a great insult to capture his wife and take away. And a king has to, and a kshatriya has to avenge such an act. And so Ravan has been killed, and that insult has been avenged, said Ram. And then he looked at Sita and said, Sita, all of this I have done, not for your sake, to set the right standards of human conduct, human behavior, right standard of a king, the right standard of a leader, the right standard of a public leader. To set that standard, I have done all this. And Ramayana says, Ram, who wanted to be a leader, who was a leader, was concerned of public criticism. A public leader has to be careful about public criticism. He should act in such a way that his action should be above highest standards of morality and conduct. And then he told Sita, you have been away for so long in the house of, under the protection, under the shelter of another man. As a king, as a son of, as one who has appeared in the dynasty of Raghu, as in the dynasty of Ikshvaku, it will not be appropriate for me to accept you as my wife again. How shattering it must have been for Sita, isn't it? And her tears of joy became turned to tears of deep sorrow. And she prays to Ram and begs that her chastity is unquestionable, her character is unquestionable. But Ram is unrelenting. He is very grave, and he says, I have made this proclamation publicly, and I am not going to change. At that time, Sita begs Lakshman and says, if Ram is not going to accept me, what is the use of living? And she begs Lakshman, please prepare a pyre and I shall enter the fire. And everyone is shocked. The women are wailing and crying. Lakshman is also very angry at Ram. So are all others. This is not okay. This is not right. Sita doesn't deserve this. But Ram is unmoved. This is the standard for a king, for a leader. Devatas assemble there and they call out to Ram, this is not right. Lord Brahma calls out to him, we know who you are. This is not right for you to do this. And Ram replies, I'm a human being. I've come here to set the standards for right conduct of your human being. Brahma has nothing to say. And Lakshman looks at Ram. Ram is very grave. And he nods and gives his consent to Lakshman. And Lakshman arranges a pyre and sets on fire. Sita, Mother Sita, offers her respects to Ram, circumambulates him 3 times, offers her respects to all the sages, all the devatas. She also circumambulates the fire. And the people are going mad at what they are going to see soon. And Mother Sita enters the fire. Her beautiful form, now ablaze, brilliant in the fire, being consumed by the fire. And people are wailing and crying and weeping. Now, this is actually a very heart-rending scene of what Lord Rama did to Sita. Sometimes, especially in modern days, people ask this question: did Sita have to undergo this kind of a test by Ram? Was Ram right? "500 years ago, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was present on earth, and he was playing the role of a great devotee, and he had taken sannyas, and he was spreading the message of bhakti all over India. And after he took his sannyas, he went on a travel, walking to several places. And for about 18 months, he was traveling in South India. And when he was traveling in South India, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to one village near what is in today's world, in our country, what is known as the city of Madurai. He went to one village, and there he was invited by a Brahmana, and his name was Ramadas Vipra. Ramdas Vipra was a great devotee of Lord Ramachandra. And he was always reading the Ramayana, chanting Ram's name, but always very sad. He was absorbed in the mood of serving Ram, and his ordeals that he was going through in his life. Although Ramdas Vipra invited Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to come for Bhiksha. Chaitanya was a sannyasi. Sannyasi goes for a Bhiksha, means going to somebody's home for food. So he invited him for Bhiksha. And so at about midday, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to the house of Ramdas Vipra, and he was welcomed and he was made to sit there, and he washed his feet, he washed his hands and sat there. But then he saw Ramdas Vipra had not cooked. The meal was not ready. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Ramdas Vipra, "Yes, what happened? You called me, you invited me for lunch, and I have come. Where is the lunch?" Ramdas Vipra was so absorbed in worshipping Ram, thinking about Ram's Leela. He started saying, "Oh, you have come for lunch, yes. But Lakshman has gone to collect some more items required for cooking in the forest. He has not come back. And so Sita is not able to cook. So we don't have the lunch ready." Ramdas Vipra was so devoted to Ram, and he was reliving all of the Leelas of Ramayana, and he was in ecstasy. He was deranged. Then suddenly Ramdas Vipra came to his normal consciousness and he said, "Oh, Mahaprabhu, I'm sorry about it. Please wait." And very quickly he got a few assistants and prepared the lunch and served lunch to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And one thing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu noticed, Ramdas Vipra was very, very sad. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after the lunch, he asked Ramdas Vipra, "Why are you so sad?" And Ramdas Vipra said, "I'm very sad that Mother Sita, see, she is Jagannatha. She is the mother of the whole universe. And she has been taken away, abducted by the cruel Ravan. And she is so pure. And this Ravan, who is an Asura, he has abducted her, took her away, and took her away from my Lord Ram. I just can't bear this. How can Ravan, an evil man, a sinful man, he take away the most exalted Sita? I just can't reconcile this." And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tried to pacify him in different ways. But he was not pacified. And he fed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and sent him off. But he was fasting. He would not eat normally. Sometimes he would eat, sometimes he would fast. He was constantly feeling separation, constantly feeling the agony of Mother Sita and what has happened to Ram in the Ramayana. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left that place and he went traveling. And then he came to Rameshwaram. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Rameshwaram, he had darshan of Lord Shiva. There is a great ancient Shiva temple. And then around there were a few Pandits, Brahmins, and they were sitting and they were discussing. And they were reading one big grantha, and that was the Kurma Purana. And they were discussing some verses from the Kurma Purana, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also sat there and heard the Brahmanas discussing. And that Kurma Purana verse describes what happened actually when Sita was about to be abducted by Ravan. These different Puranas, these different Vedic literatures, they throw light on different leelas. At this different degrees of details are present in different places. So there it is said that Mother Sita, who is Adi Lakshmi, Lakshmi herself, who is Jagannatha, who is the pleasure potency of the Lord. She is the Antaranga Ahladini Shakti of the Lord. She is meant to give Ahlada, joy to the Lord. She is the Antaranga Shakti of the Lord. She is not ordinary woman. She is not an ordinary human being. Ram is not an ordinary human being. He is the Supreme Lord. Janma karma chame divyam. His personality, his activities, they are all divya. He's not ordinary. He's playing the role of a human being. He's playing the role of a king to set an example for us. So there, in the Kurma Purana, it is described that Mother Sita, when she was about to be abducted by Ravan, she offered her prayers to Agni Deva. And immediately Agni Deva protected her and took her away. And in her place, placed a Chaya Sita, a duplicate Sita, a Maya Sita. And Ravan did not know this. Ravan hastily captured her and abducted the Chaya Sita. Ravan cannot touch Mother Sita. He will be finished. That is the truth about Mother Sita. So when Ravan took her away and imprisoned her, kept her in captivity in the Ashokavan, it was all Chaya Sita. And later, when Ram made this proclamation that I will not accept because you have stayed away in the house of another man for so long. At that time, Mother Sita enters Agni. And it is described in the Ramayana. As Mother Sita entered Agni, the fire, and her body was resplendent and effulgent, all of a sudden in the entire vicinity there was such effulgence. And people who were wonderstruck, people who were crying, wailing, they stopped. Something that was happening. And from the Agni, that big blazing fire, Agni Deva himself came out and returned real Sita to Ram. This is the truth about Mother Sita. And Ram, who is also the Supreme Lord, he knows everything. This is his Leela. And he accepted. Now Mother Sita has passed the test of chastity, and now people shall not criticize. And then Ram accepted Sita and took her back to Ayodhya, and he was coronated and became the ruler. So like this, Ram set high standards. We should feel inspired by these exemplary qualities. Every single situation in Ram's life is like this. What is the standard of conduct of a person? So we are also blessed. Ram appeared in this country. Ramayana happened here in our country. And we have this stunning example of a great personality like Ram. We should remember his qualities, his pastimes, and practice these principles of dharma that Ram taught and Ram established. Much later in the Ramayana, there is another very interesting instance. It is said that always, whether it is the Ramayana, whether it is the Mahabharata, whether it is the Bhagavad Gita, we have to understand from Acharyas. Acharya Mukhena. Acharyavan Purusho Veda. One has to understand the scriptures with the help of the Acharya. Otherwise, we will be misunderstood. We will misunderstand. We will not know how to understand the truth about all of these. Like, what is the truth about Sita Devi and her Agni Pravesh? What is the truth? Agni Pariksha. In the same way, in the Ramayana, when after Ram became the king, many great sages came. The Sapta Rishis came. And Narada also came there. And Hanuman was receiving all the different guests who were coming to meet Ram. And one such occasion, among the many sages, Vishwamitra came. And Narada had told Hanuman, Vishwamitra He is a sage, but if you trace his ancestry, if you trace his life, at one point he was a king. So he was not, you don't have to respect him so much. So Hanuman said, all right, Narad Muni has said that, so I will not. So Vishwamitra came, and Hanuman did not offer the same kind of respect that he would normally offer to other sages. And Vishwamitra came, and anyway, Ram respected him, Ram's guru, and blessed him. And then he was going, and then Narada Muni came to Vishwamitra, and he said, just see how Hanuman was respecting all other sages, but he did not respect you. Then it dawned on Vishwamitra, oh, that's true. How Hanuman didn't respect me? Now, usually when we hear this, we think, oh, this is how Narad is. Narad is always like this. He will create complications. But no, Narad is a great devotee. You will soon see why he did this. So, Vishwamitra became very angry. He went back to Ram and said, look at your devotee, monkey devotee. He did not respect me properly, and I order you that Hanuman should be killed. Oh. For Ram, it was like shattering. But it is Guru's word. So he was very unhappy that Hanuman did not respect Vishwamitra, and now he has come into this kind of a situation. And now there is an order, and Ram has to kill. So Hanuman went to Narada and said, Naradji, you only told me don't respect, and I did see, look at the situation I have landed in. So Narad said, okay, tomorrow you come on the bank of the Sarayu river, you sit there, and you start chanting Ram Nam, Ram, 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 Hare Ram, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Hare, chant Ram, Jai Ram, Sita Ram. Keep chanting loudly. And he said, all right, I will do that. And so next day he went to the bank of Sarayu river, and he was chanting there, and Ram came with all his courtiers and his entourage, and Ram had to follow the order. So he brought his arrows, and he said, now I can't help it. It is the order of my guru. Hanuman, you have made a mistake. Now here. And he shot an arrow. And Hanuman was chanting Ram, 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 and the arrow deflected and went away. Ram was surprised. My arrow will never be vanquished. And how is it? And again he shot another arrow at Hanuman. And Hanuman was sitting there, Ram, 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 Ram. Again the arrow got deflected in another direction. Arrow after arrow, arrow. Ram didn't know what to do. Next then he took his Brahmastra, the most deadly weapon. At that time, Narada Muni went to Vishwamitra and told him, no, this arrangement I had only made. I wanted to demonstrate how Ram's Nama is so powerful, is more powerful than Ram himself. So I wanted to demonstrate that. And that is why. So now go and tell Ram, no need to kill Hanuman. And Vishwamitra went to Ram and said, no, now I understood. It was all an arrangement of Narad. He had a certain other purpose. He wanted to establish the glory of Lord Rama's name, your name. And that is why he had done this, so you don't have to. And the whole matter was settled. So, Ram's name is very powerful. And in this age of Kali, chanting the names of Lord is the method recommended for self-purification. It can bring all auspiciousness. Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says there are 7 effects of chanting the names of the Lord. Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Our consciousness, our chitta, chetana, our mind, our heart will become cleansed. Bhava Maha Davagni Nirvapanam. The lust and the jealousy. You see, sometimes we all feel we don't want that. But somehow the situation is such that when we hear something, this happened to that person, somehow that jealousy and all that comes, and that is burning in our heart, and the holy name, chanting of the holy name, puts out the fire of Bhava Maha Dhavagni. Actually, it is because of those contaminations in our heart, because of that Agni, we have to take repeated birth and death. Samsara. Bhava means repeated birth and death is because of that Bhava Maha Dhavagni Nirvapanam. And Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. There are white lotuses. There are pink lotus, there are blue lotus, there is also white lotus. Kairava. Kairava means a white lotus. The white lotus is such that when the moonshine falls on the sun, on the white lotus buds, they blossom. In the same way, Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. The holy name of the Lord, when we chant, that moonshine will touch our heart and awaken our true knowledge, our true consciousness about who we are. We are residents of the spiritual world, and enlighten us. Vidyavadhu Jivanam. And the holy name of the Lord will enlighten and give us an understanding of our true relationship with the Lord. That knowledge we have forgotten. We have vismrutaha. We have forgotten our true relationship with the Lord. Vismrutha. And that vismarana is removed. Vidyavadhu Jivanam. Anandambudhi Vardhanam. And it can fill our heart with ananda. Pratipadham Purnamrita Swadanam. And it can help us, enable us to taste that sweet nectar which we are always looking for. Sarvatmasnapanam. And it can cleanse our self completely. These are the effects of chanting the names of the Lord. So, we have run out of time. I would like to invite all of you. Devotees have given you a mala. Please hold the mala. We will chant about 27 times the Hare Rama, Hare Krishna mantra. We shall all chant together. We will chant with me. And when you are chanting, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, you offer your prayers to Ram. Please bless me. Please engage me in your seva. Please give me your association and take me to the spiritual world. Enlighten me. And when you are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, pray to Krishna to give his association, to give his blessings. So we will chant for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then we have other programs. Please chant with me. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Thank you very much.